everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a few parts that we're going to be putting in the car. See behind me, you have the rear end. We got that back from McBride grandfather McBride as we may call him. Got back from his house, he put it all together. We've got a couple of lining things to do. We're going to measure the old links and compare them to the new ones, make sure everything's all nice and good. Go back over, I believe he Loctited everything, but he said not everything's fully tightened, so we'll put everything on that we're missing, tighten it up, put it under the car. Catch you back here in a few minutes. Hello everyone, what we got today is just a little bit of an update. As I told you guys before, we were getting the transmission pulled out. As you see, we've got her all pulled out. The clutch is still in the car. We have to pull that out today. It just got a little late on us, so we decided to work on it in the morning. So today, here we are, we're gonna pull the clutch out. The rear end is on the back of the truck. We're gonna be putting it together, maybe putting the trans in, lining everything up, and just seeing how it goes from there.
You take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts. Every fault you make, but I know.
Hey guys, so I know I'm not the face that you guys normally see, but I'm in here editing the video and I feel like there's some gaps that we need to fill for you guys. So in this video, they are getting the trans, they had gotten the trans out. They were going to get to the clutch and the flywheel out, which they ended up doing, and get the rear end in, which they ended up getting the rear end in. And Devin went to go put his drag slick on there and realized that the drag slick was too thick, so we needed new studs. So we ordered those today, and we're getting them overnighted, so hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. We went ahead and did the whole hub assembly for the rear, because his grandpa was like, I don't want to beat them out and then have an issue with them later down the road. So we went ahead and just reordered all of that. We did do just the studs for the front, because the rear is more important, because it's the rear wheel drive vehicle. And then we had to order new lug nuts for the wheels as well. So hopefully those will be here tomorrow so they can do that. But they did go ahead and get the brakes on the rear. Tomorrow, I think they're going to work on getting the transmission in. So yeah, we're moving right along. I know he has to order another piece for the transmission, which is going to take 2 to 3 days to get here. Unfortunately, it is what it is. We couldn't get that overnighted. What else were we missing? I think that's all for right now. We did realize we were missing the throttle body for the motor, that it was never ordered with the motor. So we're going to get that ordered, but as you guys know, we're going to probably wait till November or December before we actually put the motor in, so we'll have time with that. But anyways, you guys, I just wanted to fill the gaps and give you guys an update. Don't forget to like and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Y'all hustle hard.